Welcome everyone. We're thrilled to have you join us today. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the molecular structures of oxygen and carbon monoxide. These two gases play very different roles in our lives. So what exactly is carbon monoxide, often referred to as the silent killer? This dangerous gas is colorless, odorless and tasteless, making it incredibly difficult to detect without specialized equipment. Carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin in our blood much more effectively than oxygen does, preventing oxygen from being transported throughout the body. Let's find out more about how this process works and what we can do to protect ourselves from this silent threat. Now, moving on, let's talk about the importance of oxygen in our bodies. Oxygen is a vital element that our bodies need to survive. Every cell in our body requires oxygen to function properly. Aerobic respiration is the process by which our cells generate energy. This process takes place in the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. When we breathe in, oxygen enters our lungs and binds to hemoglobin molecules in our red blood cells. These oxygen-rich red blood cells then travel through our bloodstream, delivering oxygen to various tissues and organs. Understanding oxygen's role helps us appreciate the complexity and efficiency of our body's systems. All right, so what is carbon monoxide? This is a question that often comes up when discussing air quality and environmental health. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is a colorless, odorless gas that can be harmful if inhaled in large quantities. It consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom, forming a simple yet potent compound. Vehicles, especially those running on gasoline or diesel, are significant contributors to CO emissions. Other sources include industrial processes, residential heating systems, and wildfires. By knowing where carbon monoxide comes from, we can take steps to minimize our exposure and protect our health. Binding properties of O2 versus CO. How does the binding of carbon monoxide to hemoglobin compare to the binding of oxygen? Oxygen binds to hemoglobin in our red blood cells, allowing it to be transported throughout the body. However, carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin with a much higher affinity than oxygen. This means that even small amounts of carbon monoxide can prevent oxygen from binding to hemoglobin, leading to oxygen deprivation in tissues and organs. When carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin instead of oxygen, it can cause serious health issues, including headaches, dizziness, and even death. Understanding these binding properties is crucial for recognizing the dangers of carbon monoxide exposure. Effects of carbon monoxide exposure. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer because it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. What are the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning? Early symptoms include headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. Prolonged exposure can lead to loss of consciousness, permanent brain damage, or even death. How does carbon monoxide exposure result in severe health problems or death? It prevents your body from getting the oxygen it needs, leading to tissue damage and organ failure. Always ensure your home has a working carbon monoxide detector to stay safe. Prevention strategies. What can be done to effectively prevent carbon monoxide poisoning in your home? First, it's crucial that carbon monoxide detectors be installed in every household for safety. These devices can alert you to dangerous levels of carbon monoxide, giving you time to evacuate and seek help. Regular maintenance of your heating systems, including furnaces and water heaters, is also essential. Ensure that all appliances are properly vented and never use gas-powered tools or generators indoors. Educate your family about the dangers of carbon monoxide and have an emergency plan in place. Taking these steps can significantly reduce the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Conclusion. Understanding the binding properties of carbon monoxide is crucial for one's safety. This odorless, colorless gas can bind to hemoglobin in our blood, preventing oxygen from being transported throughout the body. This can lead to serious health issues or even death. Awareness and preventive measures such as installing carbon monoxide detectors and ensuring proper ventilation can significantly reduce the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Regular maintenance of appliances and educating family members about the dangers of carbon monoxide are also essential steps. By taking these precautions, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from this silent killer. Stay safe and informed.